Hi family, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is where we whine and DIY. If you like those kind of things, then make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Before we get started, I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine. So in my house, I have one of those walls that you hang all those cute signs on, and I'm trying to create this like really big like Pinterest collage. So today I am going to make some wall decor to add to it. So let's get gluing. But I don't think we're actually gonna use the glue today. So let's get started. So I'm gonna actually be making a wall sconce. I'm gonna use one of these wooden puzzles I picked up at the Dollar Tree. These cute little candle looking jars. I picked up one of these metal hanging plant brackets that we're gonna be using too. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to paint the back of this puzzle. While we're waiting for this to dry, we're gonna get started on our candle jar. I'm going to cut some twine to wrap around this. I'm just gonna tie a loose knot for right now, and I'll show you why. So I tied a loose knot, and the reason why is because we're gonna take another piece of twine here to make the loop. To make the loop here, and we're gonna tie that onto our loose string. So what I'm doing is just tying a knot here on the end. This will help to give it a cute little hanging feel. So I tied the ends on our bottom twine here. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this so it can hang. So our next step is we're just gonna take the extra and just keep wrapping it around to hide those knots. Now that the paint has dried, we're gonna go ahead and hang these sconces on the wall. I really hope you guys enjoy this fun DIY. If you're interested in seeing what goes on in my daily life, you can check out my Instagram account. I'll put that link down in the description below. Thanks for watching, bye!